Hello, let's start this again. Hello and welcome back to IT Performance. I have, as some of you may be aware, I have been purchasing some water cooling equipment for a custom loop water cooling project for my computer, for my PC. And having a look at my current case, I have figured out that it probably will not fit, especially not where I wanted it to. So this has produced another little project on its own. So I've done some research and I've purchased a new case. Just wait right there. It's a little bit of a case. Hello, welcome back, and today I have just got something new and it's in my car and it doesn't fit very well and it's a lot bigger than what the boxing thought it would be, and it doesn't really fit very well. So it's meant to be this side up, but the only way it could fit in the car was this side not up. Won't fit in the boot, won't fit in the back. Couldn't get it through the back doors, had to lie down the passenger seat and slide it in. So let's get it out of the car. With the assistance of my son on camera at the moment, and it's getting dark. Hopefully I'll be able to get it out of the car. Hopefully. Hopefully it hasn't broken in the trip here because it wasn't sitting properly. We went over a few big bumps. It's a little bit of a, wow. Let's have a look at this. This little case here that is now on my table and taking up a lot of space on my table. I have no idea where this is going to go on my desk. It is a little large. Still, this is just the packaging, so let's see what's actually inside, shall we? To do that, I need my handy dandy knife, which I forgot to get. So with the magic of video, I now have my knife. Now, all right. So this is the ThermalTake Level 20 XT. This is a redesigned case on their Level 20 line, for their Level 20 line of cases, which is celebrating their 20th year in production. This came out last year, so it was almost a year old now.
Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, we have the case. Which is the top? Which is the bottom? Doesn't say. Just says this way up. Have I? No, I haven't unpacked it wrong. It's a bit like a baby poo. Just when you think it's going to stop, it just keeps coming. You think, how can all of that fit in there? Disapproving looks from the wife. Oh, it's the right way up. Look at that.
More disapproving looks from the wife. There we have it. I have no, it's like a fish tank for a computer. I don't know how this is going to fit on my desk. Well, I may have to move my desk down to be the kitchen table. Wife can't hear me. She's listening to something with her headphones on. So that's all good. Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing open. Okay, so let's pull it apart, open it up, see what we have. So the back has got all the thumb screws are on the back for the sides and the top. So that just basically falls out, as does that. They come with protective plastic on both sides of the glass. So it's a little bit, the glass is a little bit dark, but that's okay. And then the top one just comes off. Now on the top here, we've got a bit of a dust panel. I don't think that will be needed really at all. That gets screwed in. Yep, that's screwed in. So there are 3 screws on each side holding that in. And the reason why I don't think that dust filter will be used is because all the air will be blowing up. So the only thing it'll be protecting against is air leaving. By that stage, it's too late. Okay. I'm not going to worry about the front just yet. But can you hear this? Let's see. Oh, I'm going to need to get that front back bit off. Look at that. So on the top here, we have headphones, mic, Type C, USB Type C, and 4 USB, 2 USB 3s and 2 USB 2s, a reset switch, a hard drive light switch, and a power switch. So this might give you a better look. So these 2 brackets up the top here come off. a little bit tight, but that's okay. Now this thing is massive. The motherboard lies flat on here. With all your hard drives and power supply down below. And it is completely modular. You can take these brackets out and place them on the other side. In the back, down here, this bracket can be taken out and shifted across, so you can put your power supply on whichever side you like. Might be better, especially if your power supply, you're running lots of wattage and that starts to get a bit warm, put your power supply over this side so that it's not warming up your CPU, which will be over here. Now, because your motherboard is lying flat, you don't need to worry about PCI cables and adapters to flick your video card on the side, because it will always be on its side. The case comes with a single 200mm fan, I believe. I believe that's 200mm fan. It's certainly massive enough. You're still recording? You're still recording? You are still recording. So let's swing this round for the other side. So the brackets come out, and swap everything over. That's a side mounted bracket, so that if you want to put any number of fans down here, these brackets come out. Let me continue that. So you can fit up to 4 120mm fans on each of these. And in the front you can fit more radiators and fans up the front. There's cooling slots down the side here for air to get in the front for the radiator. Plus there's a big gap down beside the glass here. So there should be plenty of cooling availability for a front mounted radiator. It is a big case, but you'll be able to fit almost anything in here. Also has lots of mounting points for if you want to do some custom work to hide all your stuff. You can mount fans and radiators in the front, on the side, in the bottom, and on the top. I'm looking forward to this because my last part of my cooling system finally arrived. So all of this, well, not all of this, but most of this will need to fit in here. It may look a little bit sparse. That's not including all the stuff that I've currently got in my computer that needs to go in here. But it certainly is a start for the project. So that's going to take me a while. That's going to take me a while to put together and figure out where everything goes, but I'll be able to, I believe I'll be able to do all the mounting and design of the water cooling system before I have to shift my motherboard across. So that will be, that's one big bonus. And I'm looking forward to it. Keep up to date. I will no doubt do other videos on the build to keep you up to date to how things are going. Another thing I need to do is apparently clean the radiator. Now, it's always advised that you clean the inside of the radiator before, just in case there's anything possible left over from manufacturing in there, plus any sort of corrosion that's already started to happen just in the air gets cleaned out. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching, and come back and join me for my next video where hopefully we'll have some progress on this, the building of this. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye. Nice one.